Once upon a time, in the heart of a bustling city, there stood a renowned art gallery named Sadiya. This gallery was not just any ordinary place, it was a sanctuary for artists, a canvas for creativity, and a haven for art enthusiasts. Sadiya, the owner of the gallery, was a passionate and art-loving woman. Her love for art was infectious, and she had a unique talent for discovering hidden gems in the world of art. She had a keen eye for talent and was dedicated to supporting emerging artists. One bright morning, a young and talented painter named Arya walked into Sadiya's gallery with a portfolio of her vibrant and expressive paintings. Sadiya was instantly captivated by Arya's work, seeing the raw talent and emotion in each stroke of the brush. Without hesitation, she decided to give Arya her first solo exhibition, an opportunity that would change the young artist's life. As the day of the exhibition approached, the gallery was transformed into a captivating showcase of Arya's artwork. The walls were adorned with her beautiful canvases, and the gallery buzzed with excitement. Sadiya's impeccable taste and dedication to art had once again created a magical space for creativity to thrive. The opening night was a resounding success. Art connoisseurs and enthusiasts alike marveled at Arya's talent. Her paintings told stories, stirred emotions, and left a lasting impact on everyone who walked through the gallery's doors. Arya's life had taken a new turn, and she was on her way to becoming a well-known artist, thanks to Sadiya's unwavering support. Over the years, the Sadiya Gallery continued to be a hub for artistic expression. It showcased various artists from different backgrounds, providing a platform for them to share their unique visions with the world. Sadiya's dedication to the arts made her gallery a cherished and respected institution in the city. And so, the Sadiya Gallery stood as a symbol of the power of art to inspire, transform lives, and unite people through creativity. It was a place where dreams came to life on canvas, where stories were told through colors and shapes, and where artists and art lovers found a home, thanks to the vision and passion of its owner, Sadiya. As the years went by, Sadiya's gallery continued to evolve and grow. It became not just a place for traditional art forms but also a platform for embracing innovation and technology in the art world. Sadiya was quick to recognize the potential of digital art and virtual reality experiences. She hosted exhibitions featuring groundbreaking digital artists, where visitors could step into immersive virtual worlds or interact with interactive art installations. Sadiya's gallery became a pioneer in the fusion of traditional and contemporary art, welcoming a new generation of artists who pushed the boundaries of creativity. Sadiya's gallery also played a vital role in promoting social causes through art. She organized charity events and exhibitions to raise awareness about pressing issues such as climate change, social justice, and mental health. The gallery became a space where art was not just beautiful but also a catalyst for change. One day, an art therapy program was initiated at the Sadiya Gallery, providing a safe and healing space for individuals struggling with mental health challenges. This unique initiative garnered immense support and recognition, and Sadiya's gallery became a symbol of hope and healing through art. Sadiya's dedication to nurturing talent extended beyond the walls of her gallery. She established art scholarships for underprivileged students, ensuring that the gift of creativity was accessible to all, regardless of their financial means. The Sadiya Gallery continued to be a beacon of inspiration and creativity in the city, drawing visitors from all corners of the world. It was not just a place to admire art, it was a place to be moved by it, to engage with it, and to be part of a community that celebrated the endless possibilities of human expression. Sadiya's legacy was not just about a gallery, it was about the impact of art on the human spirit, and the belief that through art, people could connect, understand, and transform the world around them. The Sadiya Gallery stood as a testament to the enduring power of creativity and the vision of one remarkable woman who made it all possible.